The 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback is not just a car, it's a symbol of American muscle and freedom on four wheels. When you look at this Mustang, you immediately feel the era it came from, a time when performance, style, and attitude mattered more than anything else. This model helped cement the Mustang's reputation as a true performance icon and remains one of the most loved classic cars in the world. Starting with the design, the 1968 Mustang Fastback has a shape that is instantly recognizable. The long hood and short rear deck give it a powerful stance, while the Fastback roofline flows smoothly into the rear, making the car look fast even when it's standing still. The front end features a bold grille with the iconic running horse badge, flanked by round headlights that give it a confident and aggressive face. From the side, the sculpted body lines and wide rear haunches add muscle and presence, and at the back, the classic triple vertical taillights complete the timeless look. Everything about this car feels raw, purposeful, and beautifully simple. Under the hood is where the 1968 Mustang Fastback really comes alive. Buyers back then had several engine options, ranging from inline-six engines for everyday driving to powerful version 8s for serious performance lovers. The most famous options include the 302 cubic inch and the legendary 390 cubic inch V8, which delivered strong acceleration and a deep, throaty exhaust note that muscle car fans still love today. With the right V8, this Mustang could sprint off the line with authority, making every press of the accelerator feel exciting and dramatic. In terms of performance, the Mustang Fastback 1968 was built for straight-line speed and an engaging driving experience. It wasn't about luxury or high-tech features, it was about feeling connected to the car. The steering was heavy but direct, the suspension was firm for its time, and the rear-wheel drive layout made it a true driver's machine. Whether cruising on the highway or launching from a stoplight, the car delivered a sense of power that was thrilling and addictive. Inside the cabin, the design was simple yet sporty. The dashboard was clean and driver-focused, with large, easy-to-read gauges that gave you all the important information at a glance. Bucket seats added to the sporty feel, and the overall layout made the driver feel in control. It wasn't overloaded with features, but everything felt purposeful, which perfectly matched the Mustang's performance-focused personality. One of the biggest unique selling points of the 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback is its cultural impact. This car became a movie star, a racing legend, and a dream car for generations. It represents freedom, rebellion, and the golden age of muscle cars. Even today, it turns heads wherever it goes, and its value continues to rise because of its design, performance, and history. In the end, the 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback is more than just a classic car. It's a piece of automotive history that still delivers excitement, emotion, and pure driving pleasure. Whether you're a hardcore car enthusiast or someone who simply appreciates beautiful machines, this Mustang leaves a lasting impression that never fades.